How to add a table to an Excel XLSX in C#.net. Start by adding the using statement to include document solutions for Excel.net edition. Then, create a workbook and worksheet object to generate a new blank Excel document. Next, add data within the supplied ranges of the worksheet. Using those same supplied ranges, create two tables using the iTable interface, supplying each table with a name and style. Lastly, save the workbook to a new XLSX file. When we open the Excel file, we'll see that two tables are placed in the ranges specified in the code. Download a free trial of document solutions for Excel.net edition today at developer.meshiest.com.